You should absolutely let your frequent customers know that you'll be commemorating the day ahead of time. Flyers and posters are a really great way to advertise your involvement in Small Business Saturday. Posters in your shop window and flyers in a prominent area inside your store will help you inform existing customers and passerbyers know about your special occasion. Various online tools can also help enhance your brand and make your store stand out. One option is downloading and printing the American Express's handy flyers or making your own with a basic free program like Canva. A local design business can also help you create and print flyers for you like us here at Greenstick. Plus, you're supporting more small businesses around you. Make sure you do this in advance to give your provider plenty of time to deliver your order. Remember, you're not the only small business planning for Small Business Saturday. Stick with me and get more ways to ensure that your Small Business Saturday is a huge success. Don't forget to save, follow, comment, like, and share this post.